Welcome to the masterclass of Angles Expert, and I'm going to introduce you what Angles Expert is, how it's going to work, how it's going to help your game, and how it's going to help you recognize the potting angles 10 times faster than any other device. Let me show you how it looks like. It's going to be in this box. You can see that what comes out of this box is a researched and accurate line of fame extension for potting angle recognition. Comes out like this, and that's your Angles Expert. You can see that I've already placed certain white balls and blue ball on the spot, and you must be getting some rough idea. But I'm going to, in this tutorial, I'm going to give you in-depth introduction and then working of Angles Expert for you to understand and to make best out of it. Since you bought it, I can imagine that now you are going to transform your potting angles, and it will help you 10 times faster than any other way you are trying to understand cut shots or potting angles. So what this is, you can see that there is a circle, there's a one red line, and the other lines are the black ones. You can see that. And then let me just explain that with the red line, there is a small dot where this blue ball is sitting, and the red line is pointing on the pocket, as you can see, from because I'm going to play from this end, so it's facing exactly in the center of the pocket. This is your main object ball. You can place it anywhere. And what is this circle? I like to explain that this is our ghost ball. Everybody keep mentioning, different coaches, that where we are supposed to hit, what is the contact point. Just imagine your white ball is going to be there. So this is our imaginary white ball. So that means this is the center, and if you place your blue ball on the exactly in the center of the blue ball, and then on that red dot actually, and then you can see that this becomes a perfectly planned. So this is our imaginary ball. So that's why we have kept it, and there is almost no gap between these two balls. So it's the contact point where the ball is going to hit. So this is our master line that is pointing towards the pocket. You can see line of fame connecting towards the pocket, and this white ball is our imaginary white ball, which is connected with all these four balls. And again, I like to show you what these circles are. You can see that these circles are different potting angles, as you can see in the video. So these circles are one, this is the easiest one, then difficult, so it's probably 3/4, half ball, quarter, and then the fine cut. Same goes on this end. So this is most easiest way and fastest way I can think of. It took me almost 2 years. I made different devices, spent a lot of money, did a lot of faced a lot of frustration, struggle to make this happen. And now it is there. I have tested it. I would love you guys, when you start doing it, kindly follow my instructions. That will help you a lot, and move step by step. Don't start practicing from this spot straight away. Always follow the guidelines, whichever level you are, because we are going to help you understand the potting angle and the contact point where you are always imagining. But actually, with the help of Angles Expert, you can actually see where your white ball is hitting, and how you can easily pot your angle ball, whether they're on the black spot, on the pink spot, on the blue spot, on the yellow, on green, on brown, or even if it is not on the spot. You can place your red ball on this spot, and then practice on this side or on this side, or even the long cut shots. This gadget is going to help you, because this is going to make you realize, make you understand how simple it is to learn the potting angles. Trust me, I've been playing snooker for 32 years, and I have always struggled with angle shots. But after this, I can feel like that this will save almost like 2 or 3 years of your angles effort, and it is going to help you 10 times faster, as I say, helping you understand the cut shots or potting angles. So this is the introduction. Make sure you follow the guidelines. Now another thing is, of course, this was just to show you what this circle is about. What you can do is now take this one out. Now place your white ball on the first circle. You can see in the video, and then there is a dot. You can see there is a thick dot on every circle. There is a thick dot on every circle. You can see that this is a red dot which I have shown you earlier. So where the blue ball is sitting in this case. So all you have to do is to just place your white ball on that thick spot, and that's it. Your job's done. Now how you're gonna do it, I'm gonna show you in different videos that how it's going to be played in my upcoming videos, the masterclass video next part, and there will be practice routines, then there will be methodology, how you're going to work on it. So I hope this introduction will facilitate you, help you to understand the use of potting angles. Don't try to destroy the neatness of this one, because it's a sheet. If you mishandle it, use it, try to just grab it too tight in your fingers or hands, this might affect you or start bringing some wrinkles or something on the angles expert. So let's start our next video, and of course there will be a bonus video in the end which will have our senior players playing this trying angles expert, and also we will show you a short video of technique expert, which is going to be the most important before jumping onto this one. Because if your technique is not correct, if your cueing is not straight, then you might be struggling using any game, or especially angles expert. So your cueing must be straight. For that you can use technique expert. It's already available. Most of the videos, there's a playlist called AQ coaching tool, snooker coaching tools, on our YouTube. That is www.youtube.com/AQ-snooker. You can go check the playlist. There are more than 1300 videos available on our channel, and I'm sure they're all very much liked and very much important for us serious snooker players who are struggling or who are improving their game. And I get hundreds and thousands of messages every month from players who appreciate our efforts. So let's move to another class. Let's move to another section and see how this is going to help you.